One of the best overnight car parks on the Southdowns. Lovely little spot, isn't it, buddy? You see. It's quite a steep hill getting up there towards the end. I'll show you, give you an idea. Don't know what I just drove over. Did it sound good? Oh, look at the sunset. Get me up on that hill. That hill in the distance, we're parking on top of there. So you don't really want to come here on a windy day. Tonight will be perfect. Pheasant for supper. Almost pheasant for supper. Got to get on top of that hill in front, so it gives you an idea how where it is. Lovely once you're up there. Free parking all night, hassle free. A few more bends and we're there. This is it. Beautiful park up. Hopefully it's not busy. Where are we going in there, buddy? Oh, there it is. Lovely. It's got straight in a big hole. Oh, mate, looks busy. It's busy, mate. Busy, busy, busy. But look at the holes, mate. Wow. Fucking hell, you. Crazy. Oh. Wow, mate. Where we go park, buddy? Dog's asleep under there somewhere. There she is. I see you, baby. "12:30 at night, door open with no wind, looking at the stars. Fantastic. They don't show too well on the camera, but there's plenty up there. What a beautiful way to wake up, lying in bed, see the sea in the distance, sheep, blue sky. 8th of April, 8:30 in the morning, blue sky, absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful day. Don't see that at home, I know that much. That's lovely. Wow. I'll just lie in bed, I think. This bull was charging up and down all morning along that fence. He's bigger than he looks. Good old farmer, looking after the land. There's me laying in bed. He's got the right idea on his bike. Lovely day for a bike ride. Wow, country life on top of the Southdowns. Wow, beautiful. There's me laying in bed. Lazy bugger. Making a cup of tea and some porridge before a walk. That's the car park down there. Plenty of walks around this area, all directions. I don't recommend leaving during rush hour traffic because the A27 is a bit awkward to get onto when the cars are moving fast. I'm going to stop at Ditchling Beacon on the way home. Hang around, I'll show you some pictures. Beautiful place on the Southdowns.